So next one, integral of 0 to pi e power x sin x dx. So listen, so this is definite integral with the limit of 0 to pi e power x sin x dx. So variables are in multiplication form. So what about using integration by parts method? So integration by parts is integral of u dv equal to uv minus integral of v dv. So the given problem, you have to take integral I, which is equal to 0 to pi e power of x sin x into dx. So e power x you can be treat as u, and remaining entire portions you can treat as dv. Up u which is equal to e power x integral of dv which is equal to integral of sin x dx. Okay. So what about u? E power x du by dx, you have to differentiate with respect to x. So we get e power x. And dv, so differentiate, integral get cancel. Balance v which is equal to integral of sin x dx is yes minus of cos x. Okay. So substitute the value using this formula. So uv, u value e power x, v value yes minus cos x. So minus will be placed in the front of. Next, minus of integral v du, v value yes minus cos x. So minus of minus we get plus. Next, du, what about du? Yes, e power x into dx. Okay, so this is to apply the limit 0 to pi. So this portion will be complete. Idu enna pananunga, again using yes integration by parts method. Okay, so u which is equal to e power x and integral of dv which is equal to integral of, what about balance terms? Yes, cos x into dx. So this is, you have to differentiate du by dx equal to e power x, again e power x. So du which is equal to e power x dx. V which is equal to integral of cos x dx. Yes, we get sin x. Okay. Cos x ஓகே அப்படி கூட எடுக்கலாம். அப்படி எடுத்தா ஆன்சர் வில் பி சேம். நீங்கள் ஆல்டர்னேட்டாக கூட எடுக்கலாம். ஓகே, ஸோ u and v over. Next, minus of e power x cos x with the limit of 0 to pi. This is, we have to expand it into the formula type, udv formula type. uv e power x sin x 0 to pi minus of integral v du sin x yes into e power x sin x into e power x dx. Okay, so this is minus e power x cos x with the limit 0 to pi plus e power x sin x with the limit 0 to pi minus, this is as given problem. So given problem you can take or you can consider I. So we have to substitute I. Already left hand side existing, one more I. Just replace left hand side. So minus I na replace agna, plus I agma. So I plus I we get 2I. That's it. Left hand portion over. Now you can apply the limit. Upper limit as pi. So minus e power pi cos pi. Lower limit. What about lower limit? 0 va. So minus of minus plus e power yes 0 cos 0. Right? Plus upper limit e power pi sin pi minus lower limit e power 0 sin 0. What about the value of cos pi? Very good, minus 1. So minus 1 into minus e pi na, yes we get plus e pi. Clear? E power 0, anything power 0 1 obviously, cos 0 1. So 1 into 1 we get 1 plus e power pi as it is. What is the value of sin pi? Yes, sin pi as 0. So 0 into anything like that 0 minus e power 0 1 da, but sin 0 0. So 0. This is completely 0. Then finally 2i which is equal to e power pi plus 1, and finally I which is equal to e power pi plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, this is the final answer.